Hey guys, so there's a bit of injury, so don't worry about that. So we are here at this workshop to get my Pajero repainted. It will take about a couple more weeks to be done, but this is the progress at the moment. If you can see, I've shown you the video and everything, and hopefully once it's done, it's gonna look really nice again, and we'll see how it goes. So pardon me for all the noise and everything, it won't be so clear, but this is the journey of restoring the Pajero, and I'll share you with some of the progress later on, and feel free to ask any question. So that is the guy who owns the workshop. He does a lot of work today here, a lot of repainting all the different vehicles here. So he's very experienced. Hopefully the work is going to be nicely done. Guys, now this is the status of my first Pajero. It is in progress to be repainted, so it's done at the workshop here in Kota Kinabalu. Still in progress, no rush. It's gonna take it easy, but I'm gonna repaint to its original color. Now they're rubbing the bonnet and everything. Gonna take a bit of time to do the respraying and everything. So everything will be replaced. This is once they've finished doing this side here, rubbing all the old paint away. This will be removed and we'll get this replaced as well. I got this strip here, this rubber strip that needs to be replaced. Which means the whole body. This is going to be replaced as well. If you haven't seen the inside of the Pajero, after everything has been dismantled, this is how it looks like. This is bare metal, everything inside, and this will be painted later eventually. Seems like a lot of work to be done. This was the body mounting that was recently replaced, so still very nice. This was replaced just a few months ago. And be sure to remember to subscribe, comments, like, or to support this channel. Thank you.